Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm going to show you how can you predict the next candlestick by using the candlestick psychology. Okay, so if I analyze the market here, you can see I'm only having this level, the current level, which is in this area. Okay, so this is the level here. So now you can see in this chart I'm only having one level. So if I zoom out the market and if I draw a level here, you can see it is very much visible that the next entry point of the sellers will be this one, or the next entry point of the sellers will be this one. Okay, so there is a gap, so I can go with the buyers. So here I have taken my trade in an up direction, so let's see what happens. I have drawn here two levels. You can see from this point to this point, and from this point to this point. So these three levels are interconnected with each other. So you can see if the market goes down, it will go up, or it will check the level here. So now you can see the market is going up in an up direction, so therefore I took my trade confidently. So this kind of trading is not that much difficult to understand. Now you can see market is going up. Now from this point, if I see a 5-second confirmation, I can confidently go with the sellers. Okay, I need a good 5 seconds to go with the sellers. Okay, I don't know what will happen. Okay, so I think so I'm getting the 5 seconds, so I took my trade in a down direction. So now you can see the market is going down from this point, and from this point we will win this trade for sure. Okay, so now let's see, this candle is my 5 second here, so therefore I took my trade and I will win my trade here. You can see if you see the levels perfectly, there is no need to worry about your trades. We get losses, but it is not always possible if your predictions are good. So now here you can see that I draw the level, and this trend line is coming from this area to this area, and now you can see exactly from that area which I have drawn, you can see sellers are entering into the market and we are getting a good ITM here. So you can see I won my trade here. Why? Because we analyze the market perfectly. So whenever you come into the market, always try to see the chart. Now if you are in this market, now you can see here, from this point to this point, now you can see the market is a kind of ranging market, so therefore you cannot trust so many levels. Now you can see this is the level, this is the level, here in this area this is the level. So in this way you cannot trust the levels. Now you can see there are so many levels. If I go for these levels, then there are so much chances that we can confuse ourselves, and you can see here we can use the trend lines in this area, but overall the market is in kind of ranging market, so therefore we will not take trades like what I did here. You can see how I took my trades here in this area. Now you can see here I can go here with the sellers. Why? So let me show you why I took my trade in a down direction. This candle engulfed this previous candle, the first thing. The trend is a downtrend, the second thing. And still I'm seeing an entry of sellers here. So therefore I took my trade in a down direction, and I took my trade with a margin of safety. So you can see we will win this trade because of our entry point and also because of our perfect analysis. So let's see what happens. You can see I took trades here in this area with one up trade, and also I took my trades in a down direction. So now you can see I won each and every trade here. So let's see what happens with this candle. So you can see I won my trade here. So the thing is, we need to analyze the market, and we can take trades according to the situation. From this point to this point you can see a downtrend here, still a downtrend now in this area, ranging market now. From this point you can see a pattern which we know that this is a pattern. Okay, so here I am seeing a pattern, so therefore the candles are going down. So therefore I took my trade. So if you take trades like this, it is not difficult for you to understand the market. Okay, so here I want to show you one thing. So here, if I analyze the market here, the overall trend is an uptrend. Okay, so now you can see here, after breakout of this level, still buyers are entering into the market, and in this area you can see a confusion in buyers and sellers. So if your analysis are good, you will always win your trades. You need to identify the trends. Now you can see it is a downtrend. It is a downtrend. So therefore the market is going down. So from this one, it is kind of consolidation area. Again, market is trying to go down. So from this one again the market is going down. So this is the way to identify the market. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. I'm here to tell you more and more about the things which I know. So stay blessed you all, and have good trades ahead. So take care for now. So we will meet again with I am again. I'm willing to take a trade here. Let's see, if I have time I will take a trade here. So let's see what happens. Okay, so now I'm late here. So I was trying to take my trade with this candle. So why I was trying to take my trade, you can see I was trying to take my trade in a down direction, and I am late because I was explaining the things with you all. So you can see market is coming and closing exactly at my level, so therefore the next candle is coming down and this candle is still going down. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Stay blessed you all. Have a blessed day ahead. Bye.